Hey, it's Jeff Weissman Electric. I've been playing around with this Nora lighting LED retrofit, which is essentially the Sylvania RT4 recessed LED retrofit. I have the Lightolier recessed cans in my house, the 5-inch. They take a 65 or 75 watt R30 bulb in them. And I'm thinking to myself, that should fit. It's got the diameter. So what I've done is, I've figured it out. It will fit. There's one secret to making it fit really tight and smoothly. Here's the secret. On your existing cans, reach up and pull the black baffle reflector out. As you can see then, this thing fits in there perfectly smooth. And the lips on here are going to finish off flush with the ceiling. So, the secret being here is to put this retrofit LED into the trim first. Snug it down tight all the way around here. Then when you shove it into the fixture, you screw it in, fixture down, you're going to hear it snap. There you go. And it's nice and tight, getting a snug seat to the trim. Let me show you why you really want this. Besides the fact that this fixture is only going to use 10 watts of power and put out virtually no heat, this is my existing cans. Look at all of these holes on the side. This is pre-Energy Code 2005. I put these in probably 1991. All these holes here are letting dust and insulation from my attic filter down into my house and letting the air conditioning from my house go up into the attic. The heat from the attic comes down through these holes. It's not airtight. The new Energy Code of 2005 requires these fixtures to be airtight. This will essentially give me now an airtight rating on my recessed fixtures. Let's go put this in and I'm going to show you how much light this thing puts out. Okay, here is my laundry room. I've got 3 Lightolier 5-inch recessed cans in here. They're on a dimmer. This is the before picture, before the LEDs. This room's got really good light for a laundry room. Now, let's put in the new fixture. Alright, let's put this in. Again, ouch, the bulb is hot. Hot, 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 hot potato. Okay, here's what we do. Pull black rim out. Insert the LED retrofit in until the rim is nice and tight and snug. You hear a snap. Screw the socket back into the bulb socket. Careful not to put your finger in. LED black, listen for the snap. You're in. It's that easy. Now let's see what it looks like. I gotta say, I think it's significantly brighter than the old 75 watt reflector. It's got a little bit of a whiter tone to it. But the fact that this is going to be using less than 10 watts of electricity, putting out virtually no heat and being airtight, this thing's going to be paying for itself within the first few months. Highly recommend it. Good light, and here's the dimming. That's the lowest dim setting of the dimmer. You can see how the incandescent light's got a little bit of a glow to it, but the LED is still a little bit significantly brighter. Alright, that's about all I can show you. The rest is up to you. So this is what we've got here. The Nora LED retrofit in an LED 4 series. Also the Sylvania RT4. Go get one and try it out for yourself.